Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Analytics with Amrita. So today we are going to solve one more question, that is uh, write a query to find top 5 categories in West region by total quantities sold. So let's bifurcate our question first. What we have to find? We have to find top 5 subcategories. What is the condition? The region should be West. And how we can find the subcategory? That is based on the quantity they have sold. Okay, so let's see our first table. Let's execute this query and we will see our data orders table. So there, here you can see there is a column as name as subcategory. There is a there is region also mentioned here. So there is a quantity also, so quantity column also. So let's first find total quantity sold, right? How we can find it? We will use select from orders. Orders is our table. Okay, so we have to find quantity, right? Because we have to find total quantity, so we will use the aggregate function as sum. We will sum all the quantities sold by all the subcategories, all the product. We will after running this query, we will get only one row because we are summing all the quantity, whatever the quantity is sold in this order table. So we are getting this much order, this much quantity is sold, right? So we will alias this as total quantity. Okay, so this is our total quantity sold, right? Now the second part of our question is the regions should be West. So we will put our where condition, where we will use where clause, where region equal to, we will put our region in inverted comma. Let's run this and we will see our total quantity sold in West region is this much, right? Now it's asking for subcategory, right? So how, whatever the quantity is sold, we should get it by on the basis of subcategory. Now we will put subcategory here, right? Let's put our subcategory here because we have to get the name of the subcategory as well. Without getting a name of subcategory, how we will bifurcate this is this much quantity sold in which category, right? So we will now group the data on the basis of subcategory. Okay, so that we can get, if let's execute this. So we are getting 17 subcategory here and we are getting total quantity sold against the subcategory. Okay, they are like, if you don't want to put subcategory here, let's remove this. Let's see what will happen. Let's see, we are getting 17 rows here, but we don't know for which subcategory what how much quantity is sold. So for that reason we should write here subcategory. Okay, because we need here the top 5 subcategories, so for that reason we should write here subcategory. Okay, also if you see order of execution is from, where, group by, then select. This is the order of execution till now. Okay, so now we will run this query and see. Again we are getting subcategory against we are getting total quantity for all the subcategory. Okay, so now it's asking for top 5. For that we have to put a order by clause. On what basis? It's asking by, it's mentioned here, by total quantity sold. So we will put a total quantity alias name after here, after order by. Okay, why we are using alias name here instead of this aggregated function column? Because the order of execution here is from, where, group by, then select. As I already mentioned, till here when we run, the order of execution was from, where, group by, then select. The same way, when we put order by as well, the same will the order of execution will be same, from, where, group by, then select, then order by. Okay, so let's run this first, see what's happening. So as you can see, there is no order, it's not ordered, right? It's by default, if you see, this is the ascending order. The total quantity is ascending, but we need top 5. That means we need the sales in descending order, then only we can find top 5. So we will put this, by default it's using ascending, so we have to put descending here to get the top. So as you can see, this subcategory is the most here, this subcategory sold the maximum number of quantity. Okay, so now it's asking for top 5, so we will put top here. Okay, after select we will put top. Now execute this query, now we are getting our result, right? So now the order of execution is from, where, group by, order, sorry, from, where, group by, select, order by, then top 5. Okay, the way I run the query, this is the way the order of execution is. So now your question is, why we are putting top 5 in select statement, then the top 5 is must be running with select statement? No, top top is running after order by. In There are servers where we use limit, so there you can justify like after order by limit is mentioned, so after order by limit is working the same way, because in SQL server order by limit is not working, top works. So and top works in select state, we put it in the select statement, but it works after order by only. Okay, so this is how we can approach these kind of questions, and this is how we can solve these kind of questions. Thank you.